the whatever the treatments I told, the whole whatever the treatment process will be there, that will be whole classified into a four types. So that four types, mm, the that four types is, first one is the primary treatment process, second one will be the primary treatment, first one is preliminary treatment, second one is a primary treatment process, third one is secondary or biological treatment process, third one is the tertiary, or it is also called as finally treatment process, or it is also called as advanced treatment process. So in this the in this four classification of the treatment process, so that I will explain in detail with the flow diagram of the treatment plant. See, the whatever I told, the preliminary, primary, secondary, tertiary treatments. So first, in the preliminary treatment process, this treatment process, that is consisting of the separating the floating materials, such as like a dead animal, tree branches, papers, pieces of the rags, woods. So whatever it has been presented in the sewage water or be floating on the surface of the water, so that is all removed with the stable with the, and it is also removed, and the heavy stable inorganic solids, what are they, whatever it is will be, that will all, it will be removed. In this process, that will helps in removing the oils and the uh, grease particles which is presented in the sewage. So this process reduces the BOD of the wastewater by 15 to 13%, it will be reduced. So in this preliminary process, so it will be carried away with the three things. What are the following the process, preliminary process are screening, grid chamber, or skimming tanks. So what is this screening? Screening is for the sorry, screening is for the removing the floating materials. Second one, grit chamber, is the for the removal of the grits and the sand particles, and third one is skimming the tanks. So that is for the removing the oil and grease particles which is present in the sewage. Next one is primary treatment process. So this treatment process consisting of the removing the large suspended organic solids. This is usually which is achieved by the sedimentation process. The liquid effluent from the primary treatment process consisting of the large amount of this suspended organic matters, so having the BOD of 60% of originals, and whatever the organic solid which are separated out in the sedimentation tanks are often stabilized by the anaerobic decomposition in the digestion tank. So this is the residue which is used in the landfilling or the soiling condition. Landfilling, it is just a open place. Okay, so considered two hill will be there. Okay. So in between this hill, this will be the place, so you can fill this manure and you can cover it out. Okay, so same way, so the whatever the land will be there, so it will be opened like this. Okay, a big dump yard will be there, so you will be keep on every day you will be placing the waste material. So then it will finally one day it will become manure. Same way, so the whatever the waste which is coming out from the treatment plant, it can be filled out. That filled material is called as landfilling. The way of material filling in this is called landfilling. So secondary treatment process, where so there are the, I will explain two operations in the second. Mainly I will give the introduction about the secondary treatment. So there are many units are there in this secondary treatment, that I will explain in the next video. So in this secondary treatment, the main in this treatment process, whatever it will be treated, whatever it treats the effluent, so that will be coming out from the primary sedimentation tank. So this treatment process is achieved by the biological decomposition of the organic matter, which can be carried out either by aerobic or anaerobic condition. So in this treatment process, in which the organic matter, whatever it has been decomposed by the aerobic bacteria, is called as aerobic decomposition. So units which are being used in this process are the filters, erosion tanks, oxidation ponds, and aerated lagoons, and anaerobic lagoons, septic tanks, hemorrhage tanks. So these are uh, the units of the this secondary treatment. So each units of this secondary units, where you can go through the next video, and you can go in detail about each um, units of the secondary treatments.